Hello and welcome back to Top for Earn channel. Are you tired of dull and time-consuming gigs that barely cover your expenses? Well, you're in luck today because I'm here to show you a simple way to earn $80 per hour by downloading AI-generated photos. Yes, it's that easy. Who said making money had to be a chore? In this video, I'll provide you with all the necessary information and steps to follow so that you don't miss any crucial details on how to make money. Let's get started. Are you ready to venture into the world of artificial intelligence and create breathtaking artwork like never before? Well, you're in luck because I have the perfect solution for you. Allow me to introduce you to DALL-E 2, the most advanced AI tool for generating realistic images and art based on natural language descriptions. And here's the best part, it's completely free. To get started, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Sign up for DALL-E 2. Visit the provided website link, and you'll be greeted with a sleek and user-friendly interface, even if you're not tech-savvy. Look for the Sign Up button in the top right corner of the page, click on it, and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to create your account. Don't worry, the process is quick and hassle-free. Once you've signed up, you'll be ready to immerse yourself in the world of AI-generated artwork. Using the search bar, simply describe the type of artwork you desire, and witness the magic of DALL-E 2. Whether it's a cute and fluffy kitten or a towering skyscraper, DALL-E 2 will generate stunning images that look as if they were crafted by a professional artist. One of the most remarkable features of DALL-E 2 is its incredible accuracy and attention to detail. The generated images are so realistic that it's hard to believe they were created by a machine. Plus, you don't need any artistic skills or prior experience to use it. All you need is an idea, and DALL-E 2 will handle the rest. After creating your account, you'll be directed to the DALL-E 2 homepage where you can start exploring its numerous features. You'll notice that the interface is sleek and user-friendly. The interface of DALL-E 2 is not only intuitive but also user-friendly, making it easy to navigate even for those who are not tech-savvy. Additionally, you'll have access to a range of tools and resources that will assist you in getting the most out of DALL-E 2. However, before you begin generating artwork, there are some important factors to consider. DALL-E 2 operates by generating images based on natural language descriptions. This implies that the more specific and detailed your description is, the better the results will be. Therefore, take the time to carefully describe exactly what you desire and don't hesitate to let your creativity flow. It's essential to keep in mind that DALL-E 2 is a powerful AI tool that requires significant computing resources. Consequently, generating high-quality images may take some time, particularly when dealing with complex or intricate descriptions. Nevertheless, the results will undoubtedly be worth the wait. If you're unsure where to start, don't worry. I'll guide you through an example to provide you with a clearer understanding of the process. To begin, log into your DALL-E 2 account. You'll be greeted with a blank text bar where you'll enter a description of the artwork you wish to generate. Let's consider an example where you want an image of a flying lion. Take a moment to envision the appearance of the lion. Would you like it to be realistic or more on the cartoonish side? Should it possess specific colors or distinctive features? The more details you can provide, the better the final result will be. Once you have your description in mind, type it into the text bar and click on the Generate button. DALL-E 2 will then employ its advanced AI algorithms to create a unique and detailed image based on your description. When the generation process is complete, you'll be presented with a beautiful and intricate image of a flying lion. You can then download the image and utilize it for any purpose you desire. Step 2. Create an account on Gelato. After generating stunning artwork using DALL-E 2, it's time to monetize your creations. One of the most effective ways to do this is by selling your artwork online, and two excellent platforms for doing so are Gelato and Etsy. Let's begin with Gelato. This platform serves as an online marketplace where you can sell your artwork in various formats, such as posters, prints, and other products. The best part is that Gelato takes care of all the printing and shipping processes, allowing you to focus solely on creating remarkable artwork. To get started with Gelato, visit their website and swiftly create an account. It's a quick and straightforward process that will only take a few minutes. Once signed up, you can begin uploading your artwork and listing it for sale on the platform. Now let's move on to Etsy. This platform operates slightly differently as it specializes in handmade and vintage goods, including artwork. To begin on Etsy, you'll need to open a store and list your artwork for sale. Creating an Etsy store is also a simple process that can be completed in a matter of minutes. Once your store is set up, you can start uploading your artwork and listing it for sale. Here's a useful tip. Ensure that you include detailed descriptions and high-quality photos of your artwork to attract potential buyers. If you ever find yourself struggling with writer's block while writing descriptions, you can always utilize ChatGPT to assist you. Simply visit the ChatGPT website, create an account if you don't have one already, and ask ChatGPT to generate a description tailored to your specific product. Now you might be curious about the potential earnings from selling your artwork on Gelato and Etsy. The amount of money you can make varies significantly based on the quality of your artwork and its demand. Depending on these factors, you could earn anywhere from a few dollars to several $100s per sale. Consistency is key to maximizing your earnings, so make sure to regularly create and list new artwork for sale. The more effort you put in, the greater your chances of earning significant income. Step 3. Begin making money with your artwork. In addition to selling your artwork as posters and prints on Gelato and Etsy, there are numerous other avenues for monetizing your creations. One fantastic option is to sell your artwork on various print-on-demand platforms. These platforms enable you to create and sell your designs on a wide range of products. Popular platforms like Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, and Teespring make it a breeze to sell items such as t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, and more, all featuring your incredible artwork. The best part is that you won't have to concern yourself with the logistics of printing, shipping, or customer service, as these platforms handle everything for you. Simply focus on creating your designs and watch the sales roll in. But that's not all. You can also sell your artwork on stock photography platforms such as Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, and Istic Photo. These platforms allow buyers to license your artwork for use in their own creative projects, such as websites, blogs, and marketing materials. Each time someone licenses your artwork, you earn a commission. Naturally, the key to success on these platforms lies in creating high-quality, unique artwork that stands out from the competition. Fortunately, with the assistance of DALL-E 2, you possess all the necessary tools to create stunning, one-of-a-kind artwork that captures the attention of buyers worldwide. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful and informative. With your newfound skills, the possibilities for creating and selling your own unique artwork are limitless. So go ahead and get started today. Use DALL-E 2 to create beautiful images, and then begin selling them on Gelato, Etsy, and other print-on-demand platforms. Don't forget to explore other avenues to monetize your artwork, such as selling t-shirts and phone cases or licensing your work on stock photography platforms. With a touch of creativity and hard work, you can transform your passion for art into a profitable business. What are you waiting for? Start creating, start selling, and start earning today. If you found this tutorial useful, please remember to hit the thumbs up button below and share any thoughts or questions you may have in the comments. I love hearing from all of you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you never miss out on amazing ways to leverage the power of AI to make money. See you next time.